All right, let's take a look at some headlines for MarcoNaplesNews.com. All right, so this week we've got major intersection work to begin at North Barfield Drive and North Collie Boulevard, beginning mid-July and lasting 1 year, which should probably last about a year and a half in Marco Island. It's not going to be much of a problem now because there's nobody here, but come season that's going to be a bit of a disaster. But I guess we need to do it, don't we? Got to keep the infrastructure up. We don't want to be a third world country full of potholes and that, so got to get that one done. All right, in Naples we've got affordable North Naples unveils Aspire, a luxury workforce housing you probably still can't afford. Let's just check out the prices here. Alright, so a one bedroom usually starts around $2,139 to $2,228 per month, and larger one bedroom layouts reaching up to $3,335 to $3,576 per month. Hardly affordable for a one bedroom apartment. Two bedrooms begin roughly $2,659 to $2,966. Extortionate. And then we've got they're also going up to like 4,500 range, which is mad. And the larger three bedroom floor plans, which are supposed to be affordable housing, they can go up to $6,526 per month. So not really sure about that, if they're really affordable or not. It's pretty insane, isn't it? But that's addressing the affordable housing crisis we have in Naples. But on the other hand, the Teal, Teale, I think it's pronounced the Teal, Golden Gate brings affordable studio living to revitalize Naples property. So this actually seems to work. So we've got the Aspire, which doesn't really make much sense. But let's check out this one here. So you can rent apartments around $1,349 to $1,399 per month, which is pretty good. Similar units for $2,000 a month. So I think anything up to $2,000 a month or less is affordable. Once you start getting over $2,000 a month, it's really not affordable anymore. We're talking workforce here. We're not talking people that own banks and stuff like that. We're not going to go too much about the Florida prison, Alcatraz, whatever it's called. What is it called? Alligator Alcatraz. Not going to talk about that. You can make your own decision on that. You probably know my views on it. Yeah, let's see, what else have we got going on here? Goldenrod Bridge on Marco Island repairs to begin July the 7th, which is probably going to last, I think, about a month. Let me just check here. It's going to take about 2 weeks to complete that, which is great, isn't it? That's a nice, easy one to get over with. What else we got going on? Oh, the positive news. Positive, like cat's paws. Over 50 Collier County pets found loving homes in mega adoption event. This was great because they had this event, statewide event, in whole Florida, and you could adopt a cat or a dog, and there was no adoption fees whatsoever. So that was a really good thing that the state did there for cats and dogs. I have two cats, so if I didn't have two cats, I would go and get two cats. I'm not a dog person, I'm a cat person. What else we got going on here? Yeah, Naples Pier. That's been a bit of a joke, hasn't it? Because now they want to get this thing finalized, but to do that they are streamlining and slashing and burning, and it's not going to be anything like it used to be. So you can read the article on there. It's pretty sad. what they're doing here to Naples Pier. With all the money we've got in Florida, we should be able to put it back to pretty much the way it was. Here's one which is Florida is one signature away, which is probably Ron DeSantis' signature, to stop any city from allowing artificial turf, artificial grass. So you can have, if Ron DeSantis signs this, you will be able to have artificial grass like AstroTurf or whatever, like these soccer fields like they have at MIA. All their field is AstroTurf or artificial grass. Soccer fields in Naples, they're all, half of those are in AstroTurf or turf, what they call it now. So I think it's a good idea. Makes everything look very green. Don't have to cut it, don't have to water it. I guess there is some sort of environmental impact on it with the runoff, but no more than you would with fertilizer, I guess. What else have we got going on? Here's a funny one. Iguanas occupy a Cape Coral home. So the home was empty, and a couple of iguanas got in there, and they made some baby iguanas, and now they've got a house full of iguanas, and the people living next door and around the area are saying, we want these iguanas evicted, basically. But I think the iguanas want to use the pool at the HOA. So check out that story. So all right, so all these stories and many more, some are funny, some are serious, but we're always honest. I'll try to keep it honest if I can. So go to marconaplesnews.com, click on the story links and have a laugh and be informed. All right, thanks for watching. My name's Paul. Give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. See you later.